So let's study AIA PGET 2024, question 16 to question 30. Question 16. Statement 1. Amla rasa has Kledhana, Deepana, Chedhana, Bedhana, Tikshna, Vikashi property as per Acharya Charaka. Statement 2. Tikta rasa has Deepana, Pajana, Jwarakna, Lekhana, Krimikna property as per Acharya Charaka. So let's see. Actions of Madhura Rasa. Tatra Madhuro Rasaha. Tarira Satmyad Rasa Rudira. Mamsamedo Asti Majja Oja Shukrabi Vardhana. Ayushyaha. Shadindriya Prasadhano. Balavarnakaraha. Pitta Visha Marudagna Trishna. Daha Prashamanas Kesha Kandyo Balyaha. Prinano Jeevanastarpano. Brahmana Stairyagara. Kshina Kshada Santhanakaro. ഘ്രാണമുഖ കണ്ഠ ഓഷ്ടജിഹ്വ പ്രഹ്ലാദനോ ദാഹമൂർച്ച പ്രശമനഃ ഷഡ്പദ പിപീലികാനാം ഇഷ്ടതമഃ സ്നിഗ്ധഃ ശീതോ ഗുരുശ്ച. ആക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് അമ്ലരസ. അമ്ലോരസോ ഭക്തം രോചയതി അഗ്നിം ദീപയതി ദേഹം ബ്രഹ്മയതി ഊർജയതി മനോബോധയതി ഇന്ദ്രിയാണി ദൃഢീകരോതി ബലം വർദ്ധയതി വാദം അനുലോമയതി ഹൃദയം തർപ്പയതി ആസ്യാമാശ്രാവയതി ഭുക്തം അപകർഷയതി ക്ലേദയതി ജരയതി പ്രീണയതി ലഘുരുഷ്ണ സ്നിഗ്ധശ്ച. ആക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ലവണരസ. ലവണോ രസഃ പാചന ക്ലേദന ദീപനശ്ചാവനശ്ചേതനോ വേദനസ്തീക്ഷ്ണഃ സരോ വിഘാസി അധ സംസ്യ അവകാശകാരോ വാതഹരഃ സ്തംഭ ബന്ധ സംഘാത വിധമനഃ സർവരസ പ്രത്യനീകബോധഃ ആസ്യാമാശ്രാവയതി കപം വിഷ്യന്തയതി മാർഗാൻ വിശോധയതി സർവശരീര അവയവാൻ മൃദു കരോതി രോചയതി ആഹാരം ആഹാരയോഗി ന അത്യർത്ഥം ഗുരു സ്നിഗ്ധ ഉഷ്ണശ്ച. ആക്ഷൻസ് ഓഫ് കടുരസ. കടുഗോ രസോ വക്ത്രം ശോധയതി അഗ്നിം ദീപയതി ഭുക്തം ശോഷയതി ഘ്രാണാം ആശ്രാവയതി ചക്ഷു വിരേചയതി സ്ഫുടീകരോതി ഇന്ദ്രിയാണി അലസക ശ്വയതു ഉപയോജയേത് അർദ്ധ അഭിഷ്യന്ത ശ്വയതു ഉപയോജയേത് അഭിഷ്യന്ത സ്നേഹ സ്വേദ ക്ലേദ മലാനുബഹന്തി രോചയതി അശനം കണ്ടു വിനാശയതി വ്രണാൻ അവസാദയതി കൃമീൻ ഹിനസ്തി മാംസം വിലിഖതി ശോണിത സംഘാതം ഭിനത്തി ബന്ധാംശ്ചിനത്തി മാർഗാൻ വിവൃണോതി ശ്ലേഷ്മാണം ശമയതി ലഘുരുഷ്ണോ രൂക്ഷശ്ച. ആക്ഷൻസ് ഓഫ് തിക്തരസ. തിക്തോരസ സ്വയം അരോജിഷ്ണു അഭി അരോജഗഗ്നോ വിഷഗ്നഃ കൃമിഗ്നോ മൂർച്ഛാദാഹ കണ്ടു കുഷ്ട തൃഷ്ണ പ്രശമന ത്വം മാംസയോഃ സ്ഥിരീകരണോ ജ്വരഗ്നോ ദീപന പാചന സ്തന്യശോധനോ ലേഖന ക്ലേദമേധോ വസ മജ്ജ ലസിക പൂയ സ്വേദമൂത്ര പുരീഷ പിത്തശ്ലേഷ്മ ഉപശോഷണം രൂക്ഷഃ ശീതോ ലഘുശ്ച. ആക്ഷൻസ് ഓഫ് കഷായരസ. കഷായോ രസഃ സംശമനഃ സംഗ്രാഹി സന്ധാനകരഃ പീഡനോരോപണഃ ശോഷണഃ സ്തംഭനഃ ശ്ലേഷ്മരക്തപിത്ത പ്രശമനഃ ശരീരക്ലേദസ്യ ഉപയോക്ത രൂക്ഷഃ ശീതോ അലഘുശ്ച. Question 17. This is a cancel question. Also, let's see what happens. Charaka has mentioned 19 Falini Drevya. As per Acharya Charaka, root of Aparajita is used for Shiro Virechana. Bhasma is not included in Audbita Ghana by Acharya Charaka. Latex of Snuhi is used for both Vamana Virechana. As per Charaka, Kadurasa increase Visham. So let's see. Charaka Samhita mentioned 19 Falini or fruits as a category of drugs. Shweta Jyotishmati Chaiva Yoja Shirsha Virechana. For Shiro Virechana, we have Shweta Aparajita and Jyotishmati. Plants parts used as drug. Moola, Tvaka, Sara, Nityasa, Nala, Swarasa, Pallava, Kshara, Kshiram, Phalam, Pushpam, Basma, Taila, Kandaga, Patra, Sringa, Kanda, Praroha. So here, What is told is first is right. Charaka has mentioned 19 felony drug. As per Acharya Charaka, root of abaraj is used for Shirovirechana. Bhasma is included for the use as a plant part used as a drug. And as of Shiram, Ashmantaha, Snuhi, Arka. Arka is used for both Vamana Virechana, Ashmantaga for Vamana, Snuhi for Virechana. Question 18. According to Charaka, which one of the following karma is mentioned for Shirisha Bija? Vamana, Shiro Virechana, Virechana, Astabana, Basti. So, herbs used for Shiro Virechana is Charaka Sutrasthana chapter 2. Shirisha Bijam Lashunam Haridre Levana Dvayam Jyotishmadim Nagaram Chadadyat Shirsha Virechane. So, for seeds of Shirisha, Lashuna, Haridra Dvaya, Daru Haridra, Lavana Dvaya, Jyotishmadi, Nagara. So these are used for the Shiro Virechana. So Haridra Dvaya means it is Haridra and Daru Haridra, Lavana Dvaya, Saindava, Savarchala. Question 19. Match the following with the according to Susruta, match the disease with the respective indicated medicinal decoction. Surameha, Sigadameha, Udagameha, Ishumeha. So let's see. So first, we can see the 20 types of prameha mentioned by Charaka Samhita. So Vadaja prameha by Charaka, Vasameha, Majja, Hasti, Madhu. And according to Pitta, Kshara, Kala, Neela, Rekta, Manjishta and Haridra. 10 Kabaja prameha by Charaka, Udaga, Ikshuvallika, Rasa, Sandra, Sandra Prasada, Shukla, Shukra, Shida, Sikada, Shanehi, Alala. And again, this is the table. Kabaja, Pittaja, Vadaja. Susruda by Susruda, it is Udagameha, Kabaja, Udagameha, Ikshuvalika, Sura, Sigada, Shaner. Levana is mentioned here. Pishta, Sandra, Shukra, Fena. Pittaja, Neelameha, Haridra, Amla, Kshara, Manjishta, Shonida. And Vadaja, it is Sarpi, Vasa, Madhu, Hasti. Ashtangardha is also almost similar with the Charaka. Let's see the comparison. So in Charaka, Ashtangardha, Susruta, Udagameha is the Ikshuvallika is mentioned by Charaka and Susruta, but for Ashtangardha it is Ikshumeha. Okay, and the difference is mainly in the Sandra Meha is there. Sandra Prasada is for Charaka. Whereas Ashtahardaya Susruta mentioned Sura Meha. Shukla Meha is for Charaka, where Ashtahardaya Susruta mentioned Pishta Meha. Shukra is the Shida is the whereas Charaka and Ashtahardaya mentioned Shida, Susruta mentioned Levana. And the next difference is Alala Meha, Lala Meha, and Fena Meha. And Pittaja Prameha 6 type. Only difference is Kala Meha, Susruta mentioned Amla Meha, and Charaka and Susruta Rekta Meha, but Ashtahardaya Shonida Meha. Vadaja Prameha, only difference is Majja Meha is mentioned by Charaka Ashtahardaya, whereas Susruta mentioned Sarpi Meha. Kashaya for Prameha mentioned by Susruta Samhita and Chikitsa Sthana, chapter 11. So, Udagameha, Parijada Kashaya, Ikshumeha, Vaijayanti, Surameha, Nimba, Sigadameha, Chitraga, Shanehi, Khatira, Levana, Pada, Agaru, Haridra, Pishtameha, Haridra, Daru, Haridra, Sandrameha, Saptaparna, Shukrameha, Durva, Shaivala, Plavaha, Plava, Hada, Karanjaga, Kaseruka, Kashayam, also Kaguba Chandana Kashayam, Fenameha, Tribhala, Aragvada, Mridviga, Kashayam, Madhu, Madhura, Midi. Now, Pittaja Pramana, Prameham, Neela Meham, Salasara, Ashwada, Haridra Meham, Raja Vriksha, Amla Meham, Negrodadi, Kshara Meha, Tribhala, Manjishta Meha, Manjishta Chandana, Shonida Meha, Guduji, Tinduga, Asti, Kashmirya, Garjura, Kashaya, Madhu, Misra. Now, next is Vadaja, Sarpi Mehi, Kushta, Kudaja Pada, Hingu, Kadarohini Kal. Guduji Chitraga Kashayana Payet, Vasameha, Agnimanda Kashayam, Shimshiba Kashayam, ക്ഷൗദ്രമേഹ ഖദിര ക്രമുക കഷായം ഹസ്തിമേഹ തിവകപിത്ത ശിരീഷ പലാശ പാട മുർവ ദുസ്പർശ കഷായം മധുമിശ്രം ഓൾസോ ഹസ്തി അശ്വ ശൂഘര ഖര ഊഷ്ട അസ്ഥി ക്ഷാരം ചേതി ദഹ്യമാന മോദകം കന്ദക്വാദ സിദ്ധം യവാഗോം ക്ഷീര ഇക്ഷു രസ മധുരാം. Question 20. Again match the following. So let's see the answer. Answer is option 2. Charaga Sutrasthana chapter 4. So Vashuga Kusha Kasha is in which one? Mutra Virejaniyam. Shallagi Shalmali Sri Veshtagam for Purisha Virajaniyam. Draksha Pilu Parushakha Jwara Hara. And Tumba Vanchula Ela Valugam Vedhana Stabana. So when we check each Yogana, Shodahara, Padala Agdimanda, Shonaga Bilva, Kashmirya Kandagari Brahadi, Shalaparni, Prishnaparni, Gokshura. So Dashamula, Jwarahara, Shariva Sharkara Pada, Manjishta, Draksha, Pilu, Parushaka, Abaya Amalaga Bibidaga, Sramahara, Draksha Gharjura Priyala, Bhadara Dadima Falgu, Parushaka, Ikshu Yava Shashtiga, Kasahara, Draksha, Abaya Amalaga, Pippali Dhuralaba, Sringi Kandagari, Vrishiga Punarnava Tamalagi, Shwasahara, Shadi, Pushkara Mula, Amla Vedasa Ela, Hinku Aguru Surasa, Tamalagi Jivida, Jivandi Chanda, Shonida Stamana, Madhu Maduga, Rudira Moja Rasa, Mrit Kabhala, Lodra Gairiga Priyangu Sharkara Laja, Vedana Stabana, Shala Katfala Kadamba, Patmaga Tumba Moja Rasa Shirisha Vanchula, Ela Valuga Ashoka, Sapnya Stabana Hinku Kataria, Arimetha Vacha, Choraga Vayasta, Goldmi, Jadila Palankasha, and Ashoka Rohinya. Prajastabana, Aindri Brahmi, Shadha Vidya, Sahasra Vidya, Amokha, Avyatha, Shiva, Arishta, Vadhya Pushpa, Vishwakasena, Kranda. Then Vaistabana, Amrdha, Abhaya, Dhatri, Yukta Shveta Jivandi, Adirasa, Mandoka Parni, Stira, Punarnava. Purisha Samgrahaniya, Priyango Ananda, Amrasti, Kadvanga Lodra Moja Rasa Samanga, Dadagi Pushpa Patma, Patma Kesara, Purisha Virajaniya, Jambu Shallagi Twaka, Kachura Maduga Shalmani Sri Veshtaga, Brishtamrata, Payasya Utpala, Tilakana, Grains. Mutra Virajaniya, Patma Utpala, Nalina Komoda, Saugandhiga, Pundariga, Shadapatra, Madhuga Priyangu, Dadagi, Mutra Virajaniya, Vrikshadani, Shwadamashtra, Vasuga Vashira, Pashana Beta Dharba Kushakasha, Gundra, Itkadamula, Mutra Sangrahaniya, Jambu Amra Plaksha Vadha, Kabithana, Udumbara Ashwada Balladaga Ashmandaga, Soma, Palka. Now question 21. So again, this is match the following. Answer is option 2. So Vatsanaba is aconitine. Chemical constituent is aconitine. Pida Karavira, Tevatin, Guncha, Ebrin, and Ahifena is morphine. So this is a chemical constituent. Vatsanaba aconitine, Pida Karavira, Tevatin, Guncha, Ebrin, Ahifena, morphine. Question 22. Adipose tear change is the modified condition of decomposition of in the dead body. Statement 2. There is hydrolysis and hydrogenation of the fatty acid in presence of water in adipose tear change. Both statements are true. So adipose tear is a waxy soap-like substance that forms during the decomposition of a dead body, specifically from the breakdown of body fat. It's a late-stage postmortem product resulting from the hydrolysis and saponification of triglycerides in adipose tissue. Adipose tear formation is most commonly in warm, moist, and humid environment, especially where there is limited oxygen. Question 23. Now match the Parada Samskara. So Niyamana is used for Chabalatva Nivrittaye, Deebana, Grasarthi Chayade, Uttapana, Murcha Vyapatti Nashana, and Padana. Padana is Vangadi Sambarkaja Kanjugagnam. So, what are the Parada Samskara and Karma? So, these are the 8 Ashta Samskara of Parada: Svedana, Mardana, Murchana, Utthapana, Padana, Dana, Niyamana, Dhibana. So, Svedana for Malashaidilya, Mardana, Bahirmala Vinashanam, Murchana, Nashta Pishtatva, Vangadi, Bhuja Kanchuka Nashanam, Utthapana, Swarupa Padanam, Padana to get rid of Nagavangadi doshas, Bodhana to remove the impotency, Niyamana Chabalatva Nivritti, Deepana is Grasartham. Question 24. In the preparation of Asava Arishta, wherever the quantity of the jaggery, honey and praksheba is not mentioned, then which is the correct quantity of these in respect to churna for 1 drona drava? Okay, so answer is option 2, that is the jaggery 1 tula, honey 1/2 tula, praksheba 1/10 tula. So Anuktamana for preparation of Asava Arishta as Char Gandhara Madhya Kanda chapter 10 is Drivya Jala 1 drona, Guda 1 tula, Madhu 1/2 tula, Praksheba Drivya is 1/10 tula. Question 25. Which of the following terms explain uneven distribution of the color on a tablet? Lamination, capping, mottling, picking. Answer is option 3, mottling. So capping and lamination, the tablet defect where the tablet separates. So here we can see in the picture that is a either at the surface that is a capping. There is a cap is separated or into layer, that is a lamination during or after compression. Capping occur when the top or bottom of the tablet break away from the main body, while lamination involves the tablet splitting into layers. Both are typically caused by issue during the compression process, such as the air entrapment, insufficient bonding, or over compression. Next is mottling. Mottling on a tablet refers to an uneven distribution of the color, characterized by light and dark patches appearing on the tablet surface. This defect is often caused by the migration of the dye during the granulation process, especially when using color excipients or API. The uneven color distribution can result from factors like improper mixing, dye migration during the drying, or the presence of dirt or oily lubricants. Tablet picking and sticking. These are the common issue encountered during the tablet manufacturing. Picking refers to any undesired adhesion of the tablet to surface of the equipment. Sticking refers to tablet sticking. So picking means they are the adhesion to surface of the equipment, whereas sticking means the tablets are stick together. These issues can lead to production downtime, product defect, compromise quality. So picking. So these are the defects: picking, sticking, capping, lamination. Question 26. As per Rasaratna Samuchaya, which among the following below mentioned is the correct sequence of pharmaceutical processing of Parasamskara? So we also already mentioned Parasamskaras, 8 Parasamskara. Now this correct order is Vedana Mardana Murchana, Utthapana Padana Rodhana, Niyamana Dhibana, Charana Jarana Ranjana Sarana Veda. So 8 types of Parada Samskara: Svedhanam, Mardanam, Chaiva, Murchana, Utthapane, Tadha, Padhana, Tridaya, Cha, Adha, Bodhanam, Suniyamanam, Supradhibanam, Idi Ashtau, Prokta, Sarva Ubayoginaha. So Svedana, Mardana, Murchana, Utthapana, Padhana, that is Trivida Padhana, Bodhana, Niyamana, Dhibana. These are Ashta Samskara. Svedana means fermentation. Pag of Parada by Kshara, Amla or any liquids in Dola Yantra is Svedana for Mala Shaidilya. Mardhana, hot trituration. Trituration of Parada with specific herb along with the Amla and Kanchi. Bahirmala Vinoshanam is the benefit. Murchana, that is processing its specific ingredients. So Parada is triturated with certain herbs till the bolus loses the shape and color and it turns into powder. Nashta Pishtatva, Vangadi Bhuja Kanchuka Nashana. For this, we are doing the Murchana. Uddhabana, we are restoring, regaining of the original form of Parada after the previous process. Swarupa Padana. Padana sublimation means subjecting the Parada to Padana after processing it with specific herbs. And this is done to get rid of the Nagavangadi dosha. Rodhana or Bodhana is awakening or retaining. Due to Mardana, etc., Parada loses its potency. To regain the potency or Virya, we do the Bodhana or Rodhana. Klaibabaham tu yet karma bodhanam kadyade budaihi. Niyamana, stabilization, to remove the instability or hypermobility of the parada. Chabalatta nirvarti. Deepana, or final preparation, is to make the parada more hungry, that is grasartham. So these are the 18 Parada Samskara: Svedhana Mardana Murchana, Uthabana Padana, Rodana Niyamana Deepana, Gagana Grasa, Pramana Charana, Garbhadrudi, Bahyadrudi, Charana, Rago Ranchana, Sarana, Samkramana, Veda, Bhakshana. Question 27. According to Rasa Tarangini, which of the following statement is correct in reference of the preparation of artificial Haritala? Shankavisha is to Gandhaga is in a ratio of 49:24. So Haritala can be artificially prepared by mixing 49 parts of purified somal or arsenic oxide and 24 parts of purified sulfur or Gandhaga in a mortar. Question 28. According to Sargandhara, which of the following is the correct sequence of different layers of Sura from top to bottom? Answer is option 1, that is Prasanna, Kadambari, Jagala, Medhaga, Vakasa. So we can say an equation as PK James. P for Prasanna, K for Kadambari, J for Jagala, M for Medhaga, and S for Surabij or Vakasa or Kinwa. Prasanna means it is a clear supernatant fluid of the Sura. So uppermost layer. Kadambari is slightly thicker than the Prasanna. Jagala thicker than Kadambari. Medhaka is a semi-solid layer. Sura Beach or Vakasa or the Kinwa is a residue found after complete extraction, and that is the lowermost layer. Question 29. Which statement is false in respect to Arogyavardhini Vadi? Answer is option 3. Tribal and Trigadu are to be taken in equal quantity. So let's see what is the formulation. So this is a big one. Arogyavardhini Vadi. Rasagandhaga Lohabra Shulbha Basma Samamshakam Tribala Dviguna. So Tribala is Dviguna Prokta Trigunascha Shilajadu. Chadurgunam Puram Shuddham Chitra Moolam Chatat Samam. Tikta Sarvasamatneya Sarvam Sanchurya Yatnadaha. Nimba Vrikshadhala Ambobi Mardhayet Dvi Dina Vidhi. Tadascha Vadiga Karyam Rajakola Falobhama. Mandalam Sevita Saisha Handi Kushta Anya Sheshadaha. Vada Pitta Kabod Budhan Jvarana Nana Pragharajan. Deya Panchadine Chade Jware Roge Vadi Shubha. Pajani Dibani Patya Hridya Medho Vinashini Malashuddhi Kari Nityam Durdarshu Shut Pravartini Bahunana Kimuktena Bahunatra Kimuktena Sarvarogeshu Shasyade Arogyavardhini Namna Gudikeyam Praghirtida Sarvaroga Prashamani Sri Nagarjuna Yogina. This is mentioned in Rasaratna Samuchaya. So here Shuddha Parada, Shuddha Gandhaga, Loha Basma, Abraga Basma, Shulbha or Tamra Basma all run 1 part. Tribala 2 part, Shuddha Shilajadu 3 part, Gugulu 4, Chitragamula 4, Kadugi or Tikta is in 18 parts. And it is done Bhavana in Nimbapatra Swarasa. So take Shuddha Parada and Shuddha Gandhaga and Galva Yantra and prepare the Kachali. And add fine powders, rest of the fine powder, ground well to form a uniform mixture. To this, Nimbapatra Swarasa is added and Bhavana is given for 2 days. When attained the proper consistency, tablets are prepared and dried in shade and preserved in a glass container. Matra is Rajakola Pramana, 125 to 500 mg, Anupana warm water. Use all type of Kushta, Sanipatija Jwara, Medoroga, Hridroga, Malashodana, etc. This vadi is made by Acharya Nagarjuna. It is mainly useful in Kushta Roga, that is known for Handi Kushtani Asheshada. Question 30. According to Acharya Chakradatta, which statement is false in reference to Simhanada Gugulu? Answer is option 4. It is called as Bhrigu Rasayana. That is a wrong statement. Simhanada Gugulu, well-known Gugulu preparation indicated in Vadaroga, especially in Amavada. This is used since 11th century AD and first mentioned by Acharya Chakrapani in Chakradatta. And the ingredient Triphala Kashaya 3 pala, Shuddha Gandhaga 1 pala, Shuddha Gugulu also 1 pala, Eranda Thaila is or Chitraga Thaila 1 Kodava. Take Eranda Thaila and Shuddha Gugulu in a iron pan. Simmer the ingredient until the Shuddha Gugulu gets completely mixed in castor oil. Then gradually add the Triphala Churna and simmer the mixture until it becomes thick avaleha consistency. After that, the removal of the vessel from the fire. Shuddha Gandhaga added mixed well. Prepare tablets of 3 grams size. Shana Pramana. Prepared tablets should be properly dried and stored in airtight container. Dose Shana Pramana. Therapeutic indication Kushta, Vada Rekta, Gulma, Shula, Udhara, Amavada, Ganchada, Pankuda, Asa, Shwasa, Jara, Palitya. Thank you for watching my video. For more updates, like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.